Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of English National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unseen Comprehension 1, reading, fill in the blanks and question answer. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 10 and homework number 9. So, since our today's topic is Unseen Comprehension, we shall read the Unseen Comprehension properly. Then on the basis of the reading, we will do question answer and fill in the blanks. So, let's see our board. So, at first we will read the Unseen Comprehension. So, look, there is a little passage. One day a dog stole a piece of meat. Very common story. He ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. He was crossing a bridge. He saw his own shadow in the water below. He thought it was another dog. It also had a piece of meat in its mouth. The dog was greedy. He opened his mouth and barked. His own piece of meat fell into the water. Actually, this is the whole passage about. Here the passage is about that a dog stole a piece of meat. Okay, and he ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. He was crossing a bridge. He saw his own shadow in the water below. As the dog was very much greedy, and he saw his own shadow and thinking that it was another one. He thought it was another dog. It also had a piece of meat in his mouth. The dog was greedy. So, look here, he opened his mouth and barked. His own piece of meat fell into the water. This is the outcome of his greediness. So, dear learners, on the basis of the passage, we have only 5 questions. So, look, answer the following questions in sentences. A number, what did a dog steal one day? So, dear learners, look one thing, and it is written stole, okay, stole, in past form, steal, stole, stole, steal. So, look here, stole, stolen. A dog stole a piece of meat one day. Answer, what did a dog steal one day? A dog stole a piece of meat one day. And how was the dog? The dog was greedy. From the passage we have understood, the dog was greedy. So, look here, what did a dog steal one day? So, look here, one day a dog stole a piece of meat. That means from the passage you will get the answer. But you need to understand, no need to memorize the answer. I am telling again, dear learners, on the basis of the passage you will write the answer. No need to memorize. Just you will understand which questions or which is asking here or what is asked here. What did a dog stole one day? A dog stole a piece of meat one day. Next, how was the dog? The dog was greedy. Number C, what was he crossing? He was crossing a bridge. So, look, one correction is given here. He was crossing a bridge. A is missing here, but don't forget to write A. He was crossing a bridge. Number D, what did he see in the water? So, look, here also the is missing. Don't forget to write there. What did he see in the water? Answer, he saw his own shadow in the water. Next, E number, this is the last question. What happened to the piece of meat? Answer, when he opened his mouth, that means when the greedy dog opened his mouth and barked, his own piece of meat fell into the water. This is the answer. Our last segment is fill in the blanks, and this will be your homework. Okay, this will be your homework, and this is your 9th number homework. Fill in the gaps with suitable words from the above passage. One day a dog. So, look here, one day a dog stole. Already. One day a dog stole a piece of meat. A piece. So, look here, a piece. Piece. He stole a piece of meat. He dashed with the piece of meat. So, look here, he ran ran. He ran with the piece of meat. One, so look here, he ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. In his mouth. In his mouth. He was dash a breeze. So look here, he was crossing. He was crossing a breeze. He saw his own dash. So look here, he saw his own shadow. So look, he saw his own shadow, as is a D or W, shadow in the dash, in the water below. In the water below. That means from the passage you will get the answer. No need to memorize. I am telling again, fill in the gaps with suitable words from the above passage. One day a dog stole a piece of meat. He ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. He was crossing a breeze. He saw his own shadow in the water below. Okay. There are 8 fill in the blanks. Dear learner, this is our homework. Okay. This is our homework. I have written here also, but now I have written with the pen, with the marker. This is our 9th number homework. So look here, this is our 9th number homework. Whenever you will do fill in the blanks of comprehension 1 or unseen comprehension 1, you must pick up. Okay, you must pick up the sentence, and in the gap you will write the word like me. Nobody will write only the answer. Please try to understand, you must pick up, and in the gap you will write the answer like me. This is the, okay, this is the ending of our class. I hope that all of you have understood the beginning of unseen comprehension 1. Please keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.